How to fix Audible error code IP-4562. There was an issue with the playback. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. First of all, if you have downloaded any files from this application, delete them. Launch the Audible app. Then tap on the profile icon. Then tap on the settings cog. Select data and storage. Turn off this setting which says stream to download audiobooks. Back to the library page or home page and try to play the audiobooks.
This is Audible.
The audiobook should play perfectly now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.